Welcome to another Pro X unboxing video. I'm Joel, and today we're revealing the Pro X Panoramic PTZ camera, where panoramic coverage meets precision tracking, enhanced with X-Deterrence for total security. Let's see what we've got in the box. Right here, we've got the star of the show, the Panoramic PTZ camera itself, built with a durable all-metal body for reliable performance in harsh outdoor environments. You'll also find all necessary accessories for installation and operation, including a wall mount bracket, a quick install kit bag, and a QR code for easy access for digital resources. The 8-megapixel panoramic lens on top provides wide coverage, offering a complete picture of your surroundings at all times. Meanwhile, the 4-megapixel PTZ can be set to any direction to monitor specific zones. When a target is detected in the panoramic channel, the PTZ automatically zooms in and tracks the moving object, delivering seamless linkage tracking even if the target disappears from the panoramic view. Powered by a deep learning algorithm, the PTZ camera's human and vehicle detection ensures accurate tracking without being distracted by irrelevant movements. This is ideal for expansive scenarios like farms, estates, or warehouse perimeters. When inspecting specific details from the panoramic view, the PTZ enables targeting directly from its channel. The powerful 25 times optical zoom ensures fine details are clearly captured, perfect for identifying faces, license plates, or objects far in the background. For continuous coverage, you can also configure preset point patrols across critical zones. Each preset point supports its own rule lines, and once a threat is detected, alerts can be instantly pushed to your mobile device. The PTZ is equipped with X-Deterrence, featuring a high decibel siren, red and blue flashing lights, and a built-in speaker for real-time intervention. Whether it's issuing automatic alerts or broadcasting custom voice messages, this camera doesn't just deter, it hunts, locking onto intruders with precision and driving them off before they cause harm. And that's the Pro X Panoramic PTZ camera, 180 degrees of coverage, precision tracking, and X-Deterrence all in one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Pro X product insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.